Any giveaways tonight? Yeah, we'll do some in a little bit. What am I looking for? I can't lie. I'm going long if this gap inverses. Bray, did you trade today? Did you take the trade with us today, Bobo? Bobo? Trinity, are you in here? We tap the 1 hour gap under though. I mean, we're like 170 points away from it. I'd take it now. I'd take it out of the sweep with this little 5 minute. I think there's just so much liquidity above us. What's up, Splinter? Hi, 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 hi. I see. I did got super quick first trade niffer. Nice. Good stuff, good stuff. Chat, how'd everyone do the New York session this morning? Oh boy, won twice. Blew an account. Shake back, bro. You helped me pass my eval this morning? Got you. You got hit with hedging? Shake back. Probably shouldn't be edging. Thank you. No church in a while. Dang, I really hate that stop is kind of big as ball sack. I can't lie, dude. There is like the tiniest bit of this 30-second left. Could take it if that inverses. There's not a lot of it left. They give away today. I open ticket. Open a ticket and type something. I'll get you after stream. Am I looking for longs? Yes, bro. I missed the trade on New York. Shake back, bro. Shake back, bro. You could have taken it off this inverse, but I really wanted this one. I'm going long if this inverses. Yeah, be kidding me. Don't tell me it inversed on NQ. Nope. Ooh. I know some of y'all front ran that. You better hope it comes back up. What am I trading? This is NQ. I almost did and I messed up earlier not listening. Wonderful trade. I'm not in a trade, bro. What did Ashton say? Fade? Oh, good fade. Yeah. Bro, if you guys just took the opposite of all our fades, you'd be printing money. We have yet to, fun fact, if anyone's new here, we have yet to have a losing day in May. Just putting that out there. I've yet to have a losing day in May. So, hopefully we continue that. Hopefully we continue that. Chat, if you guys are looking for an account, Alpha's actually doing a 50% off. Lucid's doing 50% off. Tradeify is doing 45% off. Futures Elite is doing 40% off. Plus, you get a fifth one free. If there was ever a week to buy an account, it's this week. There are so many sales going on. It's ridiculous. So if you guys are gonna pick up an account and I've helped you out, you followed any of my trades and made some money, just use code NQ. Helps me out. Helps me out. Helps me out. I don't like this delivery. I don't like how we didn't inverse that. Look at these wicks, bro. Look at these wicks. Anyone know what I'm trading? It's on the screen, bro. Or it wasn't on the screen. Oh no, I can't lie. It's the leg longs. Usually not the delivery you want. Be nice if we like reswept. What time frame do you have your orb at, bro? I don't trade orb, bro. I don't trade orb twin. I trade a real man strategy. You orb lovers wouldn't understand that. Oh, no bottom wick, 30-second. Man, I'll go payout for payout with any orb trader. That strategy sucks. I better cut my balls off. What strat do you use? Sweep and inverse. What? Sorry. Can I go pound for pound with TJR? Yes. I think TJR paper trades. What's up? What's up, Rildo? Fill me! Let's go, Omar. Man, we got the whole crew in here tonight. On loose at first, I have to make 100. Yes. Bag 7, you're good, bro. Shirtless stream. Chat, type 1 if you want a shirtless stream. A hot tub trading stream. -1. Dang stream in the vet. W is more than the VIP. Bro, I don't have a vet. Doc has the vet. I'm getting. Bro, I was on the phone with the bank earlier trying to get. Bro, you don't know how hard it is to get financing as a 23-year-old on a supercar. Nobody wants to get. I'm about to just. It's really annoying. I longed, now down 200. Why did you long if I am not in the long, bro? What are you doing? Is Porsche considered a supercar? I would. I'd consider it a supercar. I use Heikinashi candles? No, I don't. I do not. I do not. I do not. Remember, chat, Lucid is 50% off right now with code NQ. Bro, I'm pissed. I really wanted this to resweep. If this reswept, just pay cash for the car. Bro, I'm not dishing out 200K for a depreciating asset. Cash. If this reswept right here, then we could have used that 30-second to enter, but we can't now. To be fair, Porsches aren't really depreciating assets. Like, if you're gonna buy a car that's gonna keep the value, it's gonna be a Porsche. I'm on the minute chart. No, we're on the 30-second chart right now. G-Wagon, G-Wagon, G-Wagons instantly lose like 50K the second you drop them off the lot. Yes, Clay. What Porsche am I looking at? The GT4 RS. It's either that or just the GT3. The GT3 RS is like $500,000. And I'm just like, it's just not worth it. It's not, it's, I love the GT3 RS, but it is not a $500,000 car. If I'm spending that much, I'm getting an 812 with a screaming 12-cylinder engine. Or like an STO. You have to own other Porsches to get the GT3 RS. I mean, to get an allocation for it, but you can buy it secondhand. If you want to get an MSRP, you have to have an allocation. And then you probably still won't. Do I think I should get the do you think I should get the Urus over the M4? I mean, those are completely different cars. A Urus is a supercar SUV. A M4 is a coupe. I'm gonna fly you out so we can live together, Unc. Aren't you in like North Carolina or something? I'm not going to that weak ass state. Chat, what's the most bun state? Low key, it's Louisiana, and I'm from there. It's in Louisiana or Mississippi. Or like South Dakota. Arkansas? Bro. It can't be Arkansas. I live in Arkansas. It cannot be Arkansas, bro. I live there. Nebraska. Seen a lot of Idahos, Ohio's, Alaska. Dang, bro. Let's check MGC. See if we got any setups over here. In the night show. It's low key at the night show. Utah, if you aren't religious. Well, I'm not Mormon, but I am religious. You guys see my bracelets? It says God first. I'm second. Can I get an amen in chat? Can I get an amen in chat? Fun at account, Sean. Amen, amen, amen. Bro, what? Be real? Come on, bro. Don't be a weirdo, dog. Lock in. How we doing today? I'm doing good. What are we looking for? Long. Let's go, Taj. What about Josh Zipman? I think that dude's like the biggest LARP of all time. No, presto. I do not want to get into theology or any kind of apologetics in here, but no. What about RP Profit? I don't know about him, bro. Listen, if someone ain't live trading and like tracking their stats like in a public place, I'm not trusting them, bro. I'm not trusting them. I'm not trusting them. That's why we track all our stuff on a public calendar. Standardized for 250 a trade. This was March. February. January. Wait, where's January? Why is it lagging? Oop. There we go. Yo! Chat, can y'all see my stream? Yes, Molly. Can y'all see my stream? Hello, 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 hello. Is setup show this morning? Yeah, I took 2 W's this morning. Why so small? It's standardized for $250 a trade risk. You said March 1,000 times. March. Bro, you want to know what my dad used to do to me? He used to stand. Okay, this is going to sound really weird. He used to stand behind me, say, what month comes after February? And I'd be like, March. And then he'd march and knee me like 1,000 times. March. Yes, Tyler. Anybody else's parents do that to them? Oh my gosh, bro. When I was also younger, my grandfather used to tickle me and he would make me growl. He used to make me growl. He would say, growl like a man, and I'll stop. There's something wrong with your family? Nah. They cool people. Inverse! Suppose a victim? I'm far from it, bro. Bro was low-key a victim, bro. I was Guys, I love my family. I was not a victim. It wasn't like, y'all are making it a lot weirder than it is. You had never, like, tickled someone before, bro? Tickle has such a horrible connotation nowadays, but it's really an innocent thing. What do you mean 10-inch? I'd take this half R if we get this inverse. Noki gonna add one more contract in. All right, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. See what happens. See what happens. See what happens. Am I along? Yes. Will I get my cheeks beat in? Maybe. But I've yet to have a red day this month. I've yet to have a red day this month, so I'll take it. You confident in this one? Every trade I take, I'm confident in. But like I said, I am half R-ing. What happened with trade yesterday? I made a banger clip out of it. Yesterday's trade is getting turned into a TikTok because someone said, yo, this hitting stop loss. And then I hit TP. So I'm going to upload that tomorrow morning probably. Bro, green. Where's TP? TP1 is 230. The sitting stop loss that I found in the comment I did. Yeah, someone say, can someone type in chat, excuse my language, this trade fucking sucks. Please. So I can get a clip, so I can screenshot it and make a clip out of it. Yo! Not gonna lie, this trade isn't hitting, Po Girl. Holy hater. Is she even in here right now? How many funders do I trade at once? Not copy trade 20 in the New York session. This trade sucks. Oh, really? What if I put a mushroom stamp on your forehead when this hits TP? Yep, that's going in the clip. Chat, if y'all are looking for accounts, remember, Lucid is 50% off right now. Alpha is 50% off. Futures Elite 40% off. Tradify 45% off. With code NQ. It's the most goated code ever. So, if you have followed any of my trades during this hot streak, make sure you use code NQ. Never trust a trader who's on micros. That might be genuinely the stupidest chat I have ever read in my life. You just said don't trust someone who manages their risk properly. Is this guy slow? Make the boss call. Hands off. Trade hits TP. You can go outside. You can go to the bathroom and wank it if you want. You don't even need to watch this. This is hitting TP. Sorry. Money, we ran enough nature, we ran enough money. Opto. Thanks for your IP chat in the Discord. Nice, Mathis. Nice. I've watched a lot of traders in here. I've traded with some. Po Boy's the real deal. Yeah, I mean, we track everything on a public calendar. So like, if anybody tells me I suck at trading, I don't really care. I'm gonna lose eventually. I'm gonna lose. It's going to happen. Okay, like I don't want y'all to think that I win every single time. Now, it may look like it, but thanks, Rams. Am I streaming on TikTok tomorrow? Yes. Tomorrow will be the last New York stream on TikTok. And then we're going back to Discord only next week. Because I'm going to be traveling Friday. Maybe. If somebody goes home, maybe I'll be traveling Friday. I don't really know yet. DPMO. What do you mean, maybe? Oh, I'm just saying, like, I may not have a place to stay. When's Dot coming back? Monday. Who am I traveling with? Alone. You can stay with me. In theory, I'm supposed to have somewhere to stay. Go up! Get up! Your TP 0.5 of the OTE? No, I shook the magic conch and it told me to put my TP there. DPMO. How much is Discord? 100 a month. TikTok, if you guys do want to learn to trade, Yeah, bro, who is putting this in the payouts channel, bro? Who is putting? That's not a payout, bro. If you guys do want to learn to trade, we do have a Discord where we live trade every single day. We show every execution and track it on a public calendar that you guys have seen me show all tonight. We literally have not lost in May. Every execution shown. I don't just throw a little thing up on the screen. We have not lost in May. There's everybody taking payouts. So if you're tired of blowing your accounts and following traders who suck, like ZZ and Turbo, come join Discord. Links in my bio. Copy and paste it in Safari. Or click 3 dots on the top right. Click open an external browser. Not gonna lie, we entered a 15-minute. I'm scared right now. Never be scared. I made the boss call. They're giving out the calendar? What do you mean? Like for you to use it for your own trades? We had someone code it. You ever talk to Eddie? Yeah, Eddie's cool. You made... Wait, hold up. Yo, AK, it wasn't that funny, bro. It wasn't that funny, bro. I don't like ZZ and Turbo because they like meat. Is this you, Traded Day Gems? Let's go, man. You've been turning up with payouts. If that's you. Oh, no. But someone just posted a payout. Someone literally just posted a payout while I was looking at it. No, probably not burn it down. My favorite JDM car. Supra. But if y'all do want to, if y'all do want to learn to trade and join the Discord, when you click the link in my bio, it might give you an error. So you have to copy and paste it into Safari and then click 3 dots in the top right. Click open an external browser. I know, I'm joking with you, AK. Are there more training videos of the strategy in the VIP section? Yes. I got some educational videos, and then if you go in the WOP, the WHOP, I have the intro course. We have a bunch of classes, and we have a bunch of back testing streams as well. And then also, I drop a lot of sauce onto YouTube. 30-second rod. Well, am I gonna be trading on TikTok tonight till this trade? If this trade loses, I'll look for another one. If it hits, then it'll be the only one. What strat do I trade? Sweep it inverse. You stream anywhere else? Not right now. Hey, 1,000 viewers! Can we get some W's in the chat? Why the PNL not round? It's a good question. Why is it 0.52? I lost sauce on YouTube. Nobody be watching those videos. I need to make more though. To be honest, bro. Me gonna make more. Spectrum viewer band. I need a boner candle. We need a po' boy candle. Am I right, chat? Finish round 5. Call the big Yahoo up. How small is that candle supposed to be? Chad, I have a question. I need everyone to answer this question. Is 3 inches of snow a lot? Is 3 inches of snow a lot of snow? If you were like living in Louisiana. Yes. It's a lot of snow. Like, I would say that's way too much snow. Even 2 inches, 1.5 inches of snow might be like The perfect amount of snow. What level is it? 29117? This little internal low inside of this gap. Inside the gap. Inside the gap. John, TikTok next week. Asia session, I will. New York, I won't. I want to copy trade. What do you suggest? Get something called Tradecopia. TikTok, if you guys are going to get an account, Lucid is 50% off right now with code NQ. So is Alpha. Tradeify is 45. And Futures Elite is actually a new firm where you can get Lucid 50K Flex accounts for only $65 an account if you buy 5 of them using code NQ. They're kind of OP. I have 5 accounts and I'm up 1K on them on my fundeds right now. If you buy 5, yeah, because it's like bundle. It's like you buy 1, then it's 30% off. You buy 2, then it's 50. You buy 3, it's 70. 4 is like 80, and then 5 is you get a free one. So it like goes up as you buy more. What accounts do I have? Are they reliable? Yes. Is it good with rules? Yeah, it's like the same exact rules as the Lucid Flex. I would not promote a firm that I don't believe in. I have talked to the CEO. I've been like, look, bro, like, I'm not promoting your firm if these accounts are buns. And his accounts were buns. His accounts were buns. I said, look, these accounts are buns. I'm not promoting this. I said, we want this changed, this changed, this changed. He changed it. I'm like, okay, these are really good accounts for a really good price. You don't deny payouts, do you? He said, no. I said, okay. Our reputation's on the line here, brother. I think it's monthly, Lucas. But just passed them. 25K Pro or 50K Flex? It's just preference. Up to you. Is there a max payout? Yeah, 2K. It's the same rules as 50K Flex. Time frame. Looking at the 3-minute right now. He canceled my FL1 account. I don't know. I have to go look. Yes, Juice. Entered long for the inverse? No, I entered long on the inverse of the 1 minute. Am I copy trading accounts right now? No, I don't copy trade in the Asia session. Even though, boy, have I been cooking in the Asia session. But no, I copy trade all my accounts. I have 20 funded accounts in the New York session. But I do not copy trade in Asia. I recommend you guys to not trade Asia session unless you have a dedicated account for it or a dedicated like firm for it. Lucid allows 20 accounts? No. I copy trade them with Tradecopia. Is this Trade C? Yes. Futures Elite? Yeah, I got 5 of those. I also will be giving an account away to someone later tonight who uses code NQ. I will give a Lucid account away to someone who uses code NQ on Lucid. What's so good about Lucid compared to other one? It's just the rules and the price of their accounts. I was watching one of your students. He has 32 accounts. You're talking about Chris? Chris or Kale? Chris is about to take like a 40K payout from literally just signal botting us in the Discord. Shout out Chris, bro. Shout out Chris. If we can get Chris a payout, we can get you guys a payout. So click the link in my bio. Copy and paste into Safari. Why is my TP at that level? Which one? The full TP or my TP1? It's just a little swing high right here. Little shelf. Let's go, Phil. How many trades do I take today? A day? 1 to 3. I'll never let him disrespect her. What happens if I hit the sell limit? TP1. You only trade Asia session? No, I trade the New York session inside the Discord. Why do you recommend separate account for Asia? Because I've just seen too many people bank in the New York session where PA is better and then lose their profits in the Asia session when the volume is, you know, half of what it is in the New York session. And it causes you to go on tilt. I know a lot of unprofitable traders who, you know, are okay in the New York session. They get to the Asia session, take some BS trade right as market opens because they can't stop themselves from trading, and they blow their account. We're removing BE. You either go BE at the gap fill or wait for TP1 if we get there. Let's get to 100K likes. Legend. How many likes are we at right now? Can we get a like check? Nah. I've been cooking on Asia recently, but I like New York. I'm a New York lover. Yes. Why? He's part of us. He's my student. We use him as an example. If we can get him a payout, we can get anybody a payout. Am I and Zeus gonna have a trade competition? I would put up $100,000 cash to have a trading competition with ZZ or Turbo. $2K, Cozy. Is this real or demo? It's a funded account. Hydrogen bomb versus coughing baby. This ain't looking good, Poppy. Bro, I do not care, chat. I do not care if this doesn't look good. Y'all tell me it doesn't look good every single night. If this hits stop, it hits stop. I haven't lost in May yet, so. We still got a lot of room to breathe, bro. We're 10 points in drawdown. It's a 50-50 chance. It's either going to hit or it's not. Yes, Nick. This is short though. Tap to EQ after whole sweep of afternoon liquidity. Then fade me. Take the opposite trade. And when you lose, come back here. I'm not going to say what I'm going to say because that was going to be mean. If you're right and this goes to stop loss, I'm banning you so you can't say I told you so. So it's a win-win situation for me. Either I get a clip or you get banned. Ho, ho, ho. We're back at the green, fellas. I'm not trying to hate. Bro, I don't care. You're good, dog. There's no one I dislike in here except everyone that hates on me. Other than that, I don't care. And ZZ and Turbo, they suck. I gotta stop hating on them, bro. I gotta stop hating on them. Like, it's righteous hate. Actually, I should never hate on anyone. It's actually not hate. It's actually just truth. Why do you not like them? Because, don't even get me started, bro. I go on like a rant. I'm not trying to be negative tonight. They suck at trading and they're scammers. They're like Through the Storm by Youngboy. Yeah. Can I talk to Mike Lowry? Awesome, AJ. Sick. Then Turbo Coach Turbo. Alright, let's talk about us, bro. Let's talk about us. I don't want to talk about other traders anymore. That's my fault for bringing it up. I apologize. If you would like to blow all your accounts every day, you can go follow them. I'm not going to hate on you. The paper trade, no. Cobra Ohm and Lil Markey, thanks for follow. What did Josh Tucker say? Josh Tucker. We need a green Drake. We call that a Diddy candle. Guys, I'm not talking about ZZ and Turbo anymore. Lock in. If you guys are want to get an account, Lucid is 50% off with code NQ. Alpha's 50% off with code NQ. Tradeify is 45% off. And Futures Elite is a new firm that has the same exact accounts as Lucid Flex, but for $65 an account with code NQ. So if any of you guys have followed on this hot streak and you've banked in some of the trades, when you buy an account, just go ahead and use that code for me, bro. You don't use Apex? I do. But those firms are better than Apex. If I join your Discord, how do you trade with your students? We go live every single morning. It's really like what you're watching now. So we'll go live inside the Discord and you'll just watch us trade and chat, do all that. Time frame. Look, 1 minute. I signed up for the Discord and I've been getting so many more females. Unironically, that's how that works. What firm is this? This is Lucid on a TradeC account. What's it called? It's called the Futures Elite 50K. It's Futures Elite and the Elite 50K account. They have like bundle options and it makes them $65. Chat, before I started the Discord, I was a chud. I never talked to a woman in my life. You can be the same if you join it. And now. I got married thanks to Discord. Yeah, low-key, it's also Tinder. What bank do you use to withdraw? What do you mean? Like, what bank do I bank with, bro? I'm not telling you what bank I bank with. You're going to steal all my money. I bank with Ligma Credit Union. Lucid payouts take a couple days. No, they take like 2 minutes. What do I usually trade, bud? I don't know why, but bud is such a derogatory term. Calling another man buddy is arguably worse than saying a slur. Arguably. So I'm not saying it is. I'm just saying, like, arguably. Sport. Guys, I was joking. I was joking. I was joking. I love all you guys. Love all you guys. What I normally trade? Gold and NQ. Go up! Give me a Denny candle and fill me. If we hit TP1, I need everyone to spam fill me in chat. I need everybody to spam fill me in chat. We're going to make that a thing. You could go BE at the gap, Phil. I'm going to wait. Fill us up. It's because I'm trading on TradeC. This is a Lucid account. And if you guys want to trade on TradeC, when you buy the Lucid account with code NQ, click Rhythmic, and then you can log into TradeC and trade on this. And that's how I see my P&Ls. Why do you recommend TradeC again? It's just better UI. It's more intuitive, especially for beginners. The fills are a little worse than TradingView and Tradeovate. Or actually, Tradeovate they're worse than. TradingView's fills are low-key buns too. But the UI of it, like being able to see how much your stop, how much your TP is, not having to change your TP once you hit it, it canceling the orders when you hit one or the other. Like, it's just, yes, Fadi, but you need Tradecopia. The big ep was literally a OP trader and free. Okay, bro, what are we talking about, dog? What are we talking about, dog? Lock in. Please explain what a Diddy candle is. It's like a big green candle. Just bust right through and fills you. Someone said you was moving in with me. How come living, Eddie, you want to get bunk beds, bro? They actually don't have a house, but I'm moving there. Chat, how cute would it be if me and Eddie had bunk beds? I got a bunk bed. Let's go. Supposed to be for the thick Latinas I was gonna have over. It's bro. They can stay on the bottom bunk with you. They can't stay with me, bro. Sorry. Saved it. Do I travel and trade? Yes. When am I moving? I'm pretty sure August, like either August 1st or late July is when I'm planning on. I'm actually going there this weekend. You gonna be in Dallas this weekend? I'll be there Friday through Tuesday to go tour some apartments. Me, you and Jordy gotta link up, bro. Sorry, Eddie. I'm not rocking with ZZ and Turbo. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, man. They're great guys. Great guys. Oh, what did you say? Do you try on the road? Yeah, I just got a travel set up. I just got a travel set up. Let me know. We'll grab lunch. Bet. Chat, you can go BE at the gap fill if you would like. I'm holding till we hit my TP1 for BE. This is an aggressive BE, but we could reject off this. Is ZZ and Turbo right now? I know, bro. They're great guys and I love them. I do not hate ZZ, bro. I don't hate no one, bro. I love everyone. No, I'm being serious, bro. I don't hate anyone at the end of the day. Hate is a strong word. All right, y'all can go BE now. I'm going to hold. I'm going to hold till TP1 for BE. But if you want to be more aggressive, you don't have a lot of drawdown left, I'd probably go BE now. What I think about Po Boy? What I think about Po Boy, the trader? You talking about Big Meat Po Boy? Where's Cock Po? That guy? Legend. Legend. Johnny Don, thank you for the follow. Bro, can y'all follow me on Instagram? So when I post my car, I actually get a couple likes on it. Loving the music and your patience to stay in. This is what trading should look like. People that are constantly going in and out, switching their bias every time they get stopped, not placing their stops based off market structure. What's IG? Poboy_trades. Me? Eddie, it's okay, bro. It's okay, bro. Keep grinding, bro. You got it. Don't give up. Buddy. Sport. Should we have a trade-off? Yes. That'd be actually fun. We need to get like, let's get Jordy in. One lucid flex 1 month. Ooh, that's risky. Then we put because like, do you want a full porter? You know, potentially get more on a trade you have high conviction on. I'd be down. That'd be a fun series. I'm smoking you, not gonna lie. That would actually be sick. I'm down. I won't talk any trash, but just know you don't stand a chance, pal. You don't stand a chance. Eddie, you want to see something a little bit? This way you going up against Big Dog. Lock in. Lock in. What's up, Ant? Oh my God, we got the whole crew in here tonight. You got to up your contracts for the competition. Well, that's just that calendar standardized for y'all because that's all the trades we take on the stream. Thank you, Brents. Want to see my calendar? No, bro, I don't want to see that blood. Don't make me depressed. You got me trade, yeah, in the New York session, not in Asia. Yo, Ant, can I see it clap big, bro? Hold up now. You're asking another dude to see it clap. I got you, Justice. Take time, if you guys do want to join the Discord. We do live trade every single day. That calendar that I just showed you, every single trade has been taken on live. Showing executions. We have yet to have a losing day in May. So if you want to join, you're tired of blowing accounts, click the link in my bio, copy and paste it in Safari, or click the link, click three dots at the top right, click open an external browser. Yo, Eddie, how you feel about my code being in queue? Yo, thank you for the corn. So much corn, bro. Thank you. 71 corn. How do you join the Discord? Click the link in my bio. Copy and paste it in Safari. If you want, Caleb, but I don't recommend that. Part of it, blood, yes. I think tomorrow or Friday we rip face. Will you pass some accounts, Lucas? Yo, thank you for the gifts, guys. Appreciate that. Yo, why everybody sending me so much corn, bro? Holy. I don't even like corn, bro. Very corny. Good one. Mods, ban anyone that said that BS, bro. Just kidding. Eddie's the Asian guy. Yo, Eddie, how do you feel about that? That's low-key. You should have said, yo, is that Asia guy with a massive meat? That's how you should have addressed him. Because you're in a mini probably go yard. Sharing beef is crazy, bro. I don't have beef with Eddie. I love Eddie. There's only two people. Only two traders I don't like. If you win 100% in May, why not up the contracts? Because I give you this question to ponder on, brother. If I flip a coin 10 times and it lands on head 10 times, what is the probability that it's going to land on heads the next flip? It's not any more than the previous 10. So why would I up my risk? 100%? Nice. Every trade is independent from the last, so you don't up your risk or lower your risk based off if you're on a hot streak or a cold streak. But believing at the same time, it's believing in yourself. Well, trading isn't about believing in yourself. Trading is about statistics and probability and risk management. I can believe that I'm going to full port my account and pass it. And that doesn't mean anything. You know, saying what they always say, man. The charts don't care about your feelings. Doesn't want to break 207? Yeah. If you guys don't have a lot of drawdown, you should probably go BE now with this gap fill. I'm holding this because I need the clip. I can't lie. If I win one trade, I'm full porting the next one. That's a good idea. It's actually a good way to do it. You guys want to know, chat, does anybody want to know my eval passing strategy? Type 1 if you want to know my eval passing strategy. So what I do is when I buy the account, 30 seconds later, I full port it. I either half pass it or pass it. And then if I half pass it, I wait till Asia open. And the second that Asia opens, I full port it again. Guaranteed to work 50% of the time. 50% of the time, it works every single time. That's sauce. Come on, fill me, boner candle. My bad. Come on, fill me, fill me. All right, I'm gonna beat you now. I'm not letting it come 2 points for my TP. Must have been the wind. Good shot, windy day. Hopefully none of you guys are in public or anybody can hear your stream. They're gonna be like, yo, what the hell are you watching? Tradeify daily? Let's go. Oh, please don't do that again. Please nobody send that to Poe Girl, bro. I'm cooked. My mom is next to me. Shout out your mom. Come on, bro. Chad, did anybody take this trade? Type 1 if you're in this trade. I would definitely be BE if you haven't taken partials. Go ahead and chalk it up. Another green day on the month. Another green day. We're going to win so much, you're going to get tired of winning. If you guys do want to learn to trade, man, we do have a Discord where we live trade every single day. Literally every single day we show executions, and we have yet to have a red day in all of May. And every single trade we've taken the entire year has been tracked. So you can go back and look at our previous months if you want. So if you want to join the Discord, click the link in my bio, copy and paste it into Safari, or click the link, click the 3 dots in the top right, and click open an external browser. You should offer 7-day free trial. We did, and people started abusing it. And we have way too much value for that for our Discord to be free, bro. I can't lie. No! Don't be me! Hit my TP1, please. Please fill me. PJ Trade Mogs your Discord. Tell PJ Trade show an execution. Tell PJ show an execution. And then tell PJ that I want to put 100K up for a trading competition. No BE, take the loss. Let me make sure I'm exactly BE. SMT, did ES take the high that I'm targeting? Oh, it did, bro. That's so whack. Ooh, yes, already took into that 5-minute. Should have never went BE, bro. No. That's not how trading works. If I get BE'd, I don't care. But that's part of trading. Sometimes you get BE'd, bro. There's a reason that I go BE. Will it come back up? Let me see. Is my trade going to go back up? Is my trade going to go up? You stupid bit! My bad. Answer the damn question. I'm just kidding. I would never call a woman that. My mother taught me better. Do the thing and make it go up. I made the boss call, bro. I made the boss call. Y'all trust. I'm gonna have to do it again. Mr. Yahoo, please. I'll kiss the wall. Shabbat shalom, brother. I'll even get nose enlargement surgery. Just this one time. I'll never full port an eval on Asia Open again. Please. Please. Hold up. It's working. It's working. All right, now let's check something. Now we take it off. Good enough for me quitting my job to copy trade Po' Boy full time tomorrow. Old popped again, bro. It's got a recharge on it, bro. We can't like keep spamming it, bro. It's got to like recharge every couple of trades. I can't keep spamming it because I gotta use it in New York session tomorrow. Dang, Josh, she just shot you down. Chad, I think we need to acknowledge this. Josh says, "Yo, Sabrina, are you single?" And she says, "No, I'm married. Go get a life." Damn, shake back, Josh. Shake back, bro. Praying for you, dog. Praying for you. You know what, Josh? Just for that, bro, I might even get you a free account. Go ahead and DM me. Go ahead and DM me, bro. I'll get you a free account for that one. Never let these voids get you down. Never let these voids get you down, bro. Hey, Poe, you single? No. Make sure I answer that question right. A bad night for me. Josh, thanks for a Lambo you let me borrow. Facts. Song's so good. Sabrina, reject me. You gotta at least give us access to the playlist. It's not even a playlist. I just like look up songs I like. Bro, please go up. I need the clip, bro. I need the clip. Why did ES have to tap into that 5 minute before NQ did? Chat, if y'all are going to get an account, remember code NQ gets you 50% off at every single firm that you see on the screen. Lucid, Alpha, well, I lied. Tradeify is 45% off. And Futures is Elite is 50% off if you buy 5. New York Impaler, definitely. Am I paper trading? No, brother. This isn't trading views. It's trade C. Failed to make higher, going back to downtrend. TP now. Bro, I'm tired of you guys telling me this is a downtrend, this is an uptrend. Look what I longed in, bro. I don't care about the trend. I'm just dropping sack all over the charts. This trade looks fried. I mean, I'm BE, so I don't really care what happens. I do not care what happens. I have BE. You guys got to understand, bro. You got to look at the market. You got to understand the market narrative. You can't just look at it's going up, it's going down. If it was that easy, then everybody would make money. There's the reason only 1% of people make money. Remove BE then? No, what? Doesn't mean I'm going to be right, and it doesn't mean you're going to be wrong, but I'm just telling you I don't care about the trend. Our entire strategy is based off reversals. Longing in discount, shorting in premium. If the market's efficient, then it's always going to be priced exactly where it should be. But it's not efficient. And that's why we can make money. No! It better not wake me out and then go up. I'm a tweak. If this wakes me out and then goes to the moon, I'm going to cry. They're going to ruin my TikTok clip. Oh, GG's. It's going straight up, chat. GG's. It's about to go straight up. I want to see this like Drake way further down. Just paper, bro. This is not paper. Hit my stop. It hit my BE. So I didn't lose any money, but it is annoying. I just wanted the TikTok clip, dude. Looking for another long. I mean, not off this. For another long, we'd have to like come resweep, and I don't think we're gonna get that. Bro, I'm not really seeing any setups until we get like either this hourly tap on gold. Check something. If we put in a 5-minute, I don't hate continuation shorts out of gold to this unmitigated gap. If we could get the retracement to it. Trade on what? Gold. 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 Chat, if you guys do want to learn to trade, we do have a Discord where we live trade every single day. We have yet to have a red day in the entire month of May, with every single trade shown on stream. Execution shown. I'm not just throwing up the little thingy. We teach you strategy, risk management, psychology, all that. Everything you need to become profitable. If you do want to join, just click the link in my bio. Copy and paste it into Safari, or click the link and then click 3 dots in the top right and click open an external browser. What's going on with your NQ trade? I got BE'd. I got BE'd, man. Please don't go up. Oh, it's going to wick me out, isn't it? It's going to wick me out. I want this to go straight down. I want this to dump. I want this to dump. Do I use Trade Copia or Trade Seeker? I'm a Trade Copia. You think you move BE too early? Nah. I think you got to go BE there. You have the gap fill and you have ES tapping into that 5 minute. What I'd like is us to put in a... Did I ever hit my stop? It hit my BE, not my stop. But just because something BEs you and goes to your TP doesn't mean that you did the wrong thing. That's why trading's so hard, because oftentimes, even if you follow your rules and you do the right thing, you're not going to get the right outcome. You know, you're going to have what am I saying? It's going to be negative reinforcement, even though you did the right thing. And so you have to condition yourself. That's why discipline is so important, because you can do the wrong thing and get rewarded for it, and you can do the right thing and suffer because of it. But you have to understand that it's probability and statistics, and given n equals a big enough number, your sample size is big enough. If you have an edge in the market and you're properly managing your risk, you're going to be profitable over time. Low key, gold just swept that low. I don't hate gold longs. I want to see what happens in this 5 minute though. Mine ain't trades right now? No. What's the dotted line? It's just the middle of it. I've been a previous trade. I got BE'd. We came like 2 points from my TP1 and got break even. Cold world we live in. Chat, if y'all are looking for an account, remember Lucid is 50% off right now with code NQ. The 50K Flex, the 25K Pro are stupid good accounts. They're, in my opinion, the best accounts on the market. And if there's ever a time to buy a straight to funded, it's when they're 50% off. That's when they're going to be positive expected value. I probably wouldn't buy any straight to fundeds at like 30%, but 50%, it's probably worth it. Gold sweep low. I know. But we didn't inverse this gap. I'll wait to see what happens if you end the gap. We inverse this one, but we already touched this one by the time this one inversed. Everybody's Bay, you can't just change what I do. Yes, I can. The what? The fuck? What's max weekly pad on Lucid? Depends what account size you have. Why is my box further left in the FEG? It's just how I draw it. I mean, you can draw it right here. I'm not a very proper man, to say the least. A raw dog life, pal. I'm going long again. Sweep it is low. Auto liquidity built up above us. We left this high. If we want to get stopped out, it is what it is. If they want to come into this hourly or 4 hour, because he's clueless, Yeah, I'm clueless winning every single day this month. Gold? Yes, it's gold. It's gold. I'm clueless not having a red month in 2026. No, keep that guy unmuted real quick. I want him to come back in here and say, I'm sorry that I'm so stupid and I like meat in my mouth. Oh, he's clueless. He's clueless. Man, suck on my balls. I would never say that. I apologize. That was mean. It was emotional. I just hate when people just speak when they have no clue what they're talking about. Timothy, I just flexed an entire green year, pal. Did you not look at the calendar? Every single one of these trades, execution shown on screen. People just don't know what they're talking about. Where should our BE be? I'm going BE at 4544. That's where I'm going BE. You can go BE where you want. What's gold called on Lucid? It's GC. Oh, is that a valid IFVG because we took this low right here? With all this liquidity built up above us. And we left this high. We came close to it, but left it. Would I recommend the straight to funded? If you're going to get a straight to funded, just get a Lucid one because they're 50% off right now. With code in key. With code in Q. Just MGC? Yes. Does Lucid Pro have a consistency rule? Yes. On the funded. But once you get above the buffer, you take a payout every 3 days in Lucid Pros. That's why they're so good. My stop is 4532. TikTok, if you guys do want to learn to trade, we do have a Discord where we live trade every single day, showing executions. We teach you strategy, risk management, psychology. We track everything on a calendar. We are the most transparent Discord ever. And if you go to the payouts tab inside the Discord, you can see everybody that's cooking. Just today, Legend, Rezi, first payout, Jason, Diego, Bray, Mathis, Connor, Mathis. It's literally just today. Yes, all ready. So if you do want to join and you're tired of blowing your accounts and following fake traders that are broke and suck at trading and don't track everything transparently, click the link in my bio, copy and paste it in Safari, or click the link, then click 3 dots on the top right and click open an external browser. How much Discord? The VIP is $100 a month. But it's worth way more than that. I can't lie. We should raise the price, but we're not going to. When do we leave for vacation? We leave like the 4th. But it's literally only like over a weekend. We might be there for Monday. We might be traveling, but I have a travel set up. Worst comes to worst. Oh boy, that's just what is VIP Discord? Do you get the You get the live trading, you get all our classes, you get access to all the educational videos, our back testing streams, our giveaways we do every day. But the biggest, all right, I'm going BE. Oh my God, why? Why am I so good at trading? Oh, I'm also scaling one out right there, bro. I mean, what is it like to win this much? I'm so tired of winning this much, bro. Like, when am I going to start losing? Oh my gosh, dude. Any close out of one on trade C, you either set a limit order for less than you have, or you can go to your DOM and change your lot size to less than you're in for, and then click sell if you're in a buy. Yo, bro, right? This isn't a financial advice, so no one can take trades. This is not financial advice. If you take it as financial advice, you're gonna go broke and lose all your money. My BE, yes. Yes, Hassan, we can. I am BE. I trade going up $5, $10. What? Is this gold? Yes, this is gold. This is gold. This is gold. This is gold. MNQ's doing the same thing. I ain't watching MNQ right now. Chat, what accounts everybody trading on? I know, okay, it sucks. What account is everybody trading on? Top Step, Lucid, 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 Lucid. Paper Trading, Alpha, Tradeify, Lucid, Lucid, Lucid. I think you genuinely might be the new GOAT. Come on, son. I'm like Wimby. Doc is like LeBron. Respect. If you guys are going to get Lucid accounts, make sure. Use code NQ. Tradeify, code NQ at every single firm will get you the best discount. Lucid has the best discount right now, and Futures Elite. But Alpha is 50%. I don't like Alpha because I think their accounts suck. But with 50% off, it's worth getting them. Appreciate that, Kate. Appreciate that. I'm just waiting a week already. I'll DM it to you, Sincere. I have to manually do it, and I can't lie, I miss them sometimes. What sucks about Alpha is just their price to account ratio. Like, their accounts just aren't good for how much they cost for the average trader. Yeah, the 15K payout is nice on the advanced account, but that's for a very, very small percentage of people who trade that way. The zeros accounts are really, really annoying because of the news rule. I've had accounts deleted. I requested a max payout on Alpha Futures and they deleted my accounts because I traded within 2 minutes of like PPI. I scaled out of a trade or something. I don't even remember what it was. But I know I scaled out of some trade like 10 seconds too early. Targeting London high? No, it's New York. New York PMI. This is a New York high. Don't be me, bro. At least we hit TP1 on this one. Turbos and shorts. Everyone full port long. Turbos and shorts. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm BE now because this could reject off this little high. Oh, bro, I meant to make a TikTok earlier. I'm pissed. Just kidding. If Turbo's in a trade, that means we're guaranteed to hit TP if we're fading him. Why did I enter? Bro, I've explained it. We swept low a day. 2-minute inverse. Ton of liquidity resting above us. And we came close to the New York high and didn't take it. I hate when people spam, bro. Like, I'm going to answer your question when I get to it, dog. Fair, it's gold. What time frame do I trade? All of them. All of them. Can we get Wilson out of here, please? Everything from the 30-second to the daily time frame I use. Entries on 30-second, 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, and then 5 minute, 15, 30, hourly, 4 hour, and daily for bias and gaps. You look 31, but act 23. Well, I'm 23. So, checks out. Because I act my age. Yes, on the funded already, not on the eval. If you guys have made money on any of these trades, make sure you use code NQ when you get into account. Once I bring you to a payout. How is bro always winning? I don't know, bro. I don't know. Like, I'm tired. I'm tired of winning this much. I need some hardships in my life, bro. I need some hardships in my life. I'm tired of it being this much sunshine and rainbows. Okay, I love you, Frodo. Frodo, I saw you like a post on Instagram, and it said, the post was, I just blew my funded account. Is your funded account gone, bro? You were so close to a payout. K-Dot, thank you for the Go Populars. I thought it was funny. I liked it too. I thought it was pretty funny. Old school Call of Duty YouTube intro. I just blew my funded account. Pattern trade, though? Not a pattern trade. Way to project you sucking at trading. Can someone go tell Turbo I say thank you for the liquidity? Miss hearing you yell, who's going to be the first follower of the entire stream? The very first one. I'm going to marry you, po' boy. Bet. Respect. What would be follower baiting? No, not right now, Frodo. Go up! Go up! Stain, you got to drag on the right, bro. Drag on the right of your screen up and down. Lonnie, you don't know how many people... Bro, she gonna fight me, Kate. Can you glaze me? Are you actually, Frodo? You gotta take it, bro. You gotta take it, bro. What's the price for the group? 100 a month. He's in longs with you? Who could have guessed? They're in inversing positions. And people ask why I don't like them. Come on! Go up! Hit turbo stop! Please. I was gonna move there way before, Kate. Go up, please. I'm making a TikTok out of this. I'm screen recording his live. Please go up. This is gonna be a crazy D1 hater TikTok. Let's go, Blanco. Love that, man. CJ, thank you for the follow. Can I play you in Madden for eval? Buddy, I would cook you in Madden. I'm running nano blitzes in the big 2-6. Why do you hate him? I don't hate him. I have no problem with Turbo as a person. Turbo said you bought your followers. I was a Call of Duty streamer. Numbnuts. Yeah. You guys don't know. I was LeBron of Rebirth Island. Why so much hate? Because I don't like scammers. And they suck at trading. I'm never going to hate on someone for no reason. But if you're frauding the people and losing other people money, I'm always going to hate. Nobody argue with them. Nobody argue with them. Just say thanks for the liquidity. I mean, I don't care. I'd be... Nah, stop going in his chat. Let's be nice. 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 I think it's so funny, bro. Who's we not arguing? I talk about him so much just because people get so unhappy. It's like the easiest engagement farming ever. He does suck, and I do dislike him, but you gotta do another one after this trade? Nah, this is my last trade. I hit TP1 on this. If I get beat, I'm off. Bro said you're a follower? Someone tell him I'll put up 100 bans for a trading 1v1. 100 bans cash. For Turbo, for anyone. Listen, you may not like me, but one thing about me is that I'm going to be real with you, and I'm going to be for the people, all right? Nice, Lucas. You got him tilted? Tell him I'll put up 200K for a trading 1v1. We can use a mediary. That's what we got, but he banned. Well, he sucks at trading. He knows he does. But we're done. No more talking about him. No more talking about him. No more talking about him. No more. I shouldn't talk about other people. I just don't like when people are frauding people and profiting off of screwing other people over. Say don't even know you. Somebody's unhappy, bro. Somebody's unhappy. Well, that's my eval we were trading this morning. Let's go. But he showed a 70K month on his band Top Step account. Yeah, because they full ported silver. All you had to do to get a max payout in January and February was just full port silver one night. Turbo's big mad. It's all right. Look, I ain't mad at him, bro. I don't hate him. Look, hey, all love. All love. Tell Turbo I love him. You know, if he ever wants to join our Discord so he can learn how to trade, I'll give him a discount. Tell him I'll give him a 50% discount. You know, like, we'll get him right. But I'm not gonna lie, you mentioned Turbo way more than he mentions you. Yeah, why would he mention me? He knows that if he says something to me, I'm just gonna be like, all right, let's go trade for trade. Let's go competition. That's why I think it's funny. Because what's he gonna defend himself with? Saying you were in his Discord. I'm in every single trader's Discord to see what they do, so I can see how to make our Discord better. PJ, PB. Like, look, bro. When we first started, I had to figure out how to make our Discord good. Said he was in his Discord learning from him. He might have some kind of mental deficiency if he thinks I was learning from him. Unc, you follow him? Yeah, I follow him. I love following him to hate on him. When I called him out for inversing the person he runs the Discord with, you want to know what he said? He didn't even try to say it wasn't true. He just sent a picture of the follow back thing. I follow ZZ too. I love seeing their posts. It makes me laugh. I don't make a TikTok on him. Honestly, think TikTok's causing beef. No, there is no beef. There's no beef. He's making fun of your small money days. Checks out. Wait, how do I go here? Come on, go up, bro. Go up. Said you can't trade? Tell him I will put 200 bands up cash with a middleman for a 1v1 trading competition. Any amount he wants. He's not giving you clout or attention. Oh, bro, I love it, bro. I love it. Feels like I'm in Call of Duty shit talking again, bro. Turbo, you listen to this, son. You gonna be exposed eventually. Saves me from his Discord learning from him, bro. I have never wanted to learn from that fucker in my life. Yo, Abdo, thank you for the galaxies. Abdo, that's insane, bro. You're a legend. Yeah, it's insane, Og. Come on. Please hit turbo stop, please. Nah, Abdo, you're a legend, bro. You don't owe us nothing, dude. We're here. That's what we're here for. Wait, did he actually get stopped out? Oh, I don't think he's been stopped yet. I think his stop is like one tick away. I think that's it. Please go up, bro. Please go up. I need this for a TikTok clip. It's gonna be so funny. He moved his stop. Did it? Nah, I doubt he did that. Did he? I haven't been really paying attention. I've just been screen recording it. 494.5. Come on. Just give me one more tick. More tick. Bang! Ligma Turbo, you scammer! Thanks for the liquidity, coward! And run me my money in a trading competition, too. He's sick. Ooh, I know he pissed. I know he pissed. I'm trailing my stop. I'm hopping off for the night now. Stay safe. Stay blessed. Love you guys. I love y'all. Have a wonderful day, chat. Hope y'all banked.
Man, ZZ and Turbo, how'd you guys go in opposite directions? ZZ and Turbo, how did you guys enter trades in opposite directions at the same time? And both of you got stopped out. You guys are a new generational level of buns when it comes to trading. Let this also be a formal invitation. Let this also be a formal and cordial invitation to a 1v1 trading competition between either of you. No one has ever refuted any of the things I say about you guys. The only thing that you do is say that I bought followers, which I didn't. I used to be a Call of Duty streamer. 2, that I learned from you in your Discord. No, I've got text messages showing that I joined your Discord to see why people would even join, because all you do is lose and provide no value. And I don't even trade the same strategy as you, so that would make no sense for me to join. And all you're showing, and you show that I follow you and you don't follow me. Yes, I follow you. I like to see the bullshit that you post. Yes, I follow you. I enjoy seeing the dumbass shit that you post. Yes, I follow you. I enjoy seeing how stupid you are. all you are doing is attacking my. You're trying to attack things about me that have nothing to do with trading. You're trying to attack me. You're trying to attack me on things that have no basis, nor have anything to do with trading. You're deflecting from the actual thing. You are trying to deflect. Every point you bring up about me has nothing to do with trading and everything to do with outside of trading. I have nothing to say about your character. What I do have to say is that you suck at trading. So stop deflecting. So stop deflecting. So stop deflecting. So stop deflecting and enjoy. So stop deflecting and please accept my 1v1 competition. and I don't even trade the same strategy as you. So that would make no sense for me to try to learn from you. And I don't I don't and I don't and I don't I don't and I don't and I don't and you show that follow I follow you.
Did I miss